And this is my submission for Hack2Impact for the Miracle Project track. Um, I've created a LMS for the stated goal, and the whole purpose of the LMS is for it to be easily accessible and be easy to use for the people that they're catering to. And I've taken a bunch of steps which ensures that this LMS is a easy to use software and also caters to all of the requirements. So the goal was to create a learning management system or a software which can help students get access to different resources, assignments, look at their attendance, schedules, and stuff like that. So to as to reduce the burden on the instructors who have to do a lot of work in sending out emails, reminders, and other such things. So what I've created is a very simple web app which is built in SwellKit, which incorporates all of these features. It is intentionally made in the dark theme for its high contrast, making it very accessible and easy to use. And it also features big and bold fonts and lettering so that it's also very easy to see. It scores very highly on all accessibility tests, including the internal SwellKit A11Y testing, and this is going to make it very easy for screen readers and people with different impairments to use the website, which is a very big part of this project. So to go over it, the first tab that it opens up in is called Assignments tab, and this shows all of the different assignments that you are assigned. It shows you the name, it shows you when the assignment is due, what do you have to do. It lets you upload, it lets the instructors upload any assigned audio or video, and this is all dynamic data. So for example, over here it's playing some musical notes, and you can enter in your response over here and even upload a file that you want to choose, and then once you do everything, it's auto uploaded on the back end and the instructors can have a look at it. Similarly, you can also upload a video. So if you upload a video, it's the same thing. Instead of an audio file, you just see a video file previewed over here directly. So it's an all-in-one solution where the students won't have to click on external links or have to go through different resources in order to find something that they're looking for. It's all in one place. And similarly, they can also submit a written text or a file over here as their submission. And this also acts as a way in which they can receive grades and feedback. So this is a sample assignment which has already been graded. It has an A, and it has about 93% as indicated by the circle over here. So it uses a lot of visual elements in order to convey the information, which makes it rank high on all accessibility fronts. In addition to assignments, you can also check other classroom stuff such as attendance. So this shows you all of the attendance which has been entered by the instructors. It shows you the date, the class status, whether you are present, late, or absent, and then any remarks which are left by the instructors. There is also a resources panel, which is a place where students can find any kind of guides or websites or any instructions the instructors want to share with the students. And again, it's very easy to use. It has the title in a big and bold font, it has a description and a big button where if you click on it, it opens the website directly. All of this data is dynamically served from MongoDB, where there are a bunch of different collections which contain all of this data. And one of the more useful features, and perhaps the best one of this LMS, is the schedule option over here, which shows the schedule for the current month for the student. Again, it uses a high contrast font with a lot of attention to detail to make it as easy to use. So it shows you what all classes you have today at what time. It also gives you this neat option to directly join the next class, so you don't have to go searching for the link. So it tells me that I have an art history class which is going to start in 4 hours and 33 minutes. This is also dynamic. If I reload the page and go back to schedule, it now tells me it's due in 4 hours and 32 minutes. It's looking at the current time against the time the class is going to start. And it also gives you an option directly over here to join the class on Zoom. Right now it's not connected to an actual Zoom meeting, but this can be easily changed from the back end when the students or when the teachers or the instructors are uploading the material for the class. This also uses authentication. Currently I'm logged in as a student by the name of Lucas Smith. If I log in with another student's ID, again I'm using Kindi over here for authentication, which makes it very easy and accessible to use. And let's say I go into with my own personal account, you can see that it would change out the photo on the top right, and there is nothing present over here because I don't have any assigned classes or any assigned grades or anything. If I go and switch back to the earlier account, you will be able to see all of that comes back. It's all dynamically served data coming from the database, which is stored in MongoDB. And currently, the MongoDB is a good way in order to create new assignments or edit any existing ones, but it's going to be extremely simple to just create a teacher portal over here as well, where the instructors can create assignments, grade them, publish new resources, change the scheduling and stuff. Thank you.